This is the Fillmore, the street, the crossing at Corinth, Mississippi. This has a GS Type 1 bell. And yeah. It's in Corinth, Mississippi. And actually been living here for a long time. Experiencing a lot of trains here since ever I was like little. 2 long gates. And for the people who saw my the Valentine's video where I caught Norfolk Southern after my, well, let's say into the night, it was somewhere over here. Now I had a pretty bad night on Valentine's, but when that Norfolk Southern like that came down there, that just made my night better. So Norfolk Southern, if you're watching that video, thank you for making my night better like a few months ago, and I'm very sorry if I stutter a lot, because I have a really big problem in my mouth. Dang it, I stutter again. But anyways, this crossing is by Norfolk Southern. If you want to check this crossing out, it's in Corinth, Mississippi, Fillmore Street.